So you are looking at waste, ruby waste.
Sofie Boons is a jeweller turned scientist who's created something very special from this material.
You're looking at the world's first ruby grown in situ in a piece of jewellery.
Grown right here at the University of the West of England. So what would you do with this ring then? You'd put it in a crucible. Can you show me how that works?
Yes, absolutely.
Into the crucible with a little bit of magic.
And then it goes into my furnace.
Your furnace. And the temperature of the furnace?
About 1,100 to 1,200.
So we're going to bake the ruby in the ring.
Yeah, we're going to position it into the furnace.
Yep.
And then we'll return to it when it's ready.
And how long would you leave it in there for then?
At the moment, we are experimenting with the time between 5 to 50 hours.
So if you had a bigger furnace, how big could you grow the rubies?
You could grow them as big as you could possibly get.
This process has taken 4 years to develop and could be revolutionary.
I realised there was a lot of waste material, and given that we are trying to move towards a more sustainable future, I felt that using this waste would be really important. In theory, we have enough waste to never mine again, but it really depends on what jewellers want to use, what the industry needs, etc.
Across town, I met one such jeweller. And we hammered out what customers think about lab-grown gems.
I think younger generations are interested in the potential ethical and environmental kind of credentials. Also, they come at a much lower price point, which is attractive. But I do think there's also a kind of feeling that maybe something coming from the earth is still perceived as more valuable.
It's that perception Sofie wants to change and show these homegrown rubies in a whole new light. Dick and Hooper, BBC Points West.